や
ちょっと待ってね。
So I'm Ashley, and this is Haruki, and we'll be covering more English today. So I made a small list of English phrases, some slang, some of it's a little old, but still useful. Okay, so number one is OG.
Like, OG?
O and G.
Oh my gosh.
Like, yeah, but it's different. This is OG. It stands for, well, people use it to mean original or original gangster. And you say he's the OG, you mean like original gangster. It means like he's cool, he's the original, the first one to do it like that. Like you can even, but now it's OG can just mean original. So you can say like, okay, it's like the OG document, and that means it's the original document. わかった?